So this is my brand new Oreck XL shoulder vac. The strap came out as soon as I tried to pick it up once the main strap was attached. The overall quality is, it's horrible for this strap. And considering that you truly do need to strap this, you know, be able to carry it over your shoulder because the hose is quite short. You can't really have it, like hold it with one hand. But anyways, so it is in there and you'll see it just comes right back out. There is a little tab right here. I don't know if you can see that. There is a little tab here. That's the extent of it. That should hold it in. However, this strap it's awful. It just folds right back and pulls right out. So essentially rendering the entire thing useless as far as the strap goes. Here is the strap on the front. It's on a little bit better, but not great. So yeah, there we go. So I bought this for commercial use. It's supposed to be a professional machine. However, if I can do that easily, and obviously employees would be able to.